Hi guys, today I'm with Jim Hardiniano. Hey Jim, what are you gonna teach me?
I am going to teach you how to suck helium from a balloon.
Helium?
Yes, helium.
Oh my god, teach me how.
First,
Faster.
you will suck, you will
Suck.
the whole-
Suck it.
Okay, suck it.
Oh my god.
You-
Suck it now.
Suck it so?
Yes.
Suck it so?
Come closer, come closer, come closer.
Wait. Faster.
Come closer, come closer. Oh, he is already sucking. You listen to his voice.
You say kids, it's a...
Wow, that's very-
Faster. 7 seconds more.
You say kids, it's a lot of fun.
Suck it off, suck it off.
Don't try this at home. Thank you.